to manage your Rsvps on Eventbrite, you have to first of all log in into your account. So for that, please go ahead and type in eventbrite.com/organization homes, and when you do that, it's going to take you to the home page. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and press the events button located right in the corner in the left hand sidebar, and when you locate the following event that you've created, under it, scroll down a bit and then go to the three dot icon next to the event that you've created and press the edit button. When you press on edit button, it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and make changes with your information that you've provided. Likewise, from the left hand side bar, scroll down right to the bottom and then go to manage attendees. When you do that, it's going to show a lot of options under it. When you do that, you'll be able to see in this option as attendees list. Go ahead and press on it. As you press on the attendees list, it's gonna show up the Rsvps status. Locate that, you can set up an automatic email confirmation to be sent to the attendees upon RSVP confirmation, and now you can go ahead and include important event details and instructions as well. Then you can also send reminder email to attendee close to the event date to ensure that they don't forget. And likewise, you can also keep attendee informed of any changes or updates regarding the event, such as schedule change, venue update, and additional information as well. Then you could go ahead and manage the check-in process, and then the train event staff or volunteer on the check-in process and provide them with necessary tools and resources as well. And likewise, you could go ahead and follow for the feedback collections and your thank you email and all sort of things. So that's how you can manage RSVP on Eventbrite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.